the thing that was just so amazing is that the course was evolving as it was going. It's been incredible to generate almost $50,000 from something that just started as an idea. I wouldn't have been able to narrow down that idea without Jenna, without the 10K to Bayo method. It's really been not just about the information that I've gotten from the videos that are in the course, but also the weekly coaching, the weekly hand holding, the support. There were times where I was really nervous. There were times where I was almost obstinate of raising my prices, like all those little things that you go through as the entrepreneurial journey. I had friends that were telling me, you should sell this thing for $3,500. And I'm like, slow down. It wasn't comfortable for me because I didn't have a proof of concept yet. By testing it at a price point that felt good for me, I think that's what's really important, is that pricing is such a personal thing. And the biggest growth for me is in going from 500 to 750 to 850 to 1,000. That was an important journey for me to go through. And now I'll never offer a course for $500 again, because I've already gone through those levels and I have the confidence now that I can sell something at a minimum for $1,000. And that's been a huge growth for me as an entrepreneur.